Mama Aquaba Shonko Batuma GHS. So Muniaba Mosom for Nana Ama Owusa na Sabe Minimu Edi Shabim. Na we baby ayejina Oponglo. Na Oponglo so dia na etese camp. Ayawaso West Wegon constituency no and will be. Now when him say I can't knock a crabby best 2 days to be now 7th December no enya aso not just a Ghana for decision making the breno will be a ekotuna ba edi achire abaya or person womra so not as a numa ebetimi abwa ama womayi enya enkoso. Na Ayawaso West Wegon e bando parliamentary sa actor John Dumelo any ebiemoso Madam Lydia Alhassan and womujina ewo constituency emu. Na osha wokeka any enibra aba campaign no ewa we mechi crowd me say enibra aba pa ewo afa any afa mienu nia entem na ne nia mu no yenim say John Dumelo for NDC and mami Lydia Alhassan no so for NPP nti wo mum mienu no wan enas ene day ya oponglo for ye no me verbal casting of votes ye be ready wo mo pese want na so no woni so na wo mbo wo patem nti for weni edi achire many of them are more Aquabashoko F𝒊ght GHS.
That's all about.
You share atmosphere now. Be wild. Just 2 days to the elections now. What are your expectations?
Oh, expectations in there are very big. Good him. Say, nobody tells you if you want. That's what they are saying. They say, baby, I'll do baby will be as too short. You see? Dr. Kwame Nkrumah can say, Ghanaians are slow to anger, and when they get angry and they want to punch at you, you'll be surprised. See, but issue here, they are afraid to talk for because of victimization. Abaya way any abaya a democracy, but they are so autocratic to the extent say the same views. I'm sure you are being asked. And I'm telling you, see, ever shocking, especially at this constituency, I also was welcome. You see, Obano blue hot air. Or blue hot air keke. More be anything, you know. You see, this time, no, all her hopes are dashed. Only maybe every year, overshare Legon students, you know, Emma MPP, a lot of votes here. But this time, because of COVID, they couldn't vote, they couldn't register. And aside, they couldn't register a lot, you know. So we've been able to make inroads. Many of us say, Dumelo. 4,000 laptops. Oh, so you see, Dumelo before even trying to contest for this seat, was a philanthropist or humanitarian works. And not only in Ghana, you know, Dumelo is an entrepreneur, he's an artist, a film actor, and he's also into philanthropy, aside being a farmer. Into the farms across Africa, Ghana. You understand? Say, ensure a uniform for Dumelo. Aquacope excavator CMB. My lady, I'm here stopping. And no cry alone. And no pocrano, I'm a 2,000. I'm telling you, now, yo, ensure fire. Obviously, or Baba Yamaye was stopping because of political expedience. 2,000 votes. They say this constituency will shock. It will be a shocker. Jeff, you see. All kinds seats for MPP. I also was one going down. I tell you, my dear. You see, we are coming to power. Yeah, but see, power. MPP out of power. Do them. For Ashanti region, for here. I'm sorry, I'm Ashanti region almost wrong. I'm buy, I'm more number 5. Not just phantom. And you say, Ghana, my 1,600 projects in Ashanti region. For five projects are. And your national initiative. What should I am Ashanti region? You see, you buy community day schools. It was a national project. Ashanti region, and you're almost like about 10 or so. And we are a national project. It's only we see toilets. MMC DDC is a human. And you know NDC when we are talking now. You don't talk about it in Ashanti region. But there was specific initiative. You really say KJT market. That's what you are saying. KJT market, which is I think one of the best in terms of everything in West Africa and the biggest market in West Africa. Your fire service, your police station, we have a clinic, we even have a school. And to me, no, send the Panuswa or Pawanian who feel like half of an or the never that is what we want. Yeah, airport expansion. See, those are a new man, you can say, when I'm here, you see Afari, military hospital. You see, for me now, you see hospital, I'm almost. As I know you're regional hospital, aside it being regional hospital, for me now, yay, and the nursing training, they train community health nurses. And the NDC, you know, you see, aside national projects, I am, you get specific projects for people.
You better was it. Say the woman yat says I was Westway one day. Sit no. Okay.
My lady uncle baby na. All sit no for that.
Therefore, I say and now be mama lady uncle that not say I was Westway one me constituency ni papa ko and Robert Kasa say sit na I was Westway one there. One more at the Ache NDC. Nebusa for yes, was Ebusia for Mama Kwaba. This is exclusive interview with Mr. Beautiful actor, fancy man of Cabrofodic and fancy flat. I said, wow, what here said, Mr. Beautiful Biaboko. And I was to Westway one. I can't 2 days spare. Now just say, yeah, got to apart. Now, what's your atmosphere? Be money, the air, send a woman.
I was gone, or John Bia. But Yenya today, Obasanso were being some medium around. Already, you know, John Yamaka several times. So, and then probably a last minute person. Them obey grounds will be feeling me presence. Now, what on the massive, what I'm a brother John. That's why I'm here.
Now, just some days ago, now my colleague actors, actresses, even a BA NPP candidate, Awojina Ahmad, I was West, we won a chi Ahmad say, no more campaign, most of them know could you now about wanting no and was a lot of controversies with some of you people condemn and say, I didn't know Munya age now, one with me arbitrary now we who's who want to say betrayal.
This is democracy and this is politics. Everybody has his or her preference. Or would you have Momu John, but that doesn't mean that as if you're supporting. So this is politics. And I'm not sure our colleagues want to bring John Dumelo down. They are campaigning for where they belong. But the unfortunate aspect of what they did was to come to John Dumelo's place and campaign against John. That is the aspect of it. Most of the people, they don't understand. Because we want John to do. Already recently, foreign minister, John Ahoba. And on your first time, Nana also catch it. Mammy Dokuna, your concert, it is a Nana foreign minister, I catch John Dumelo, or your trend, or your family, history. They are repeating it. That shows there, that particular party, my Canada there, they don't respect entertainment. MPP don't respect entertainment. They don't believe in us. They only believe in two things, law and economy. And they always create the economy to favor themselves. And they always make sure that they are stealing. And they will create an economy for them to get money. And they will use that law to protect themselves. That's why MPP government, the current and the past, their interest is two, law and economy. Okay? But I'm for John. And John, yes, everybody knows that I'm an NDC. Psychologically, biologically, whatever, I'm an NDC. No matter what you do to me, whether you sideline me or whether you bogus me, whether you throw me away, I'm an NDC. So if my own brother John Dumelo, is going for parliament, I have to come and support him, no matter where I am. We support John on two things. One, or your NDC. Two, or your colleague. Others are. Sir John go to parliament. Now John Kenya ministerial appointment. John home from Kopwa and Mammy. Home from Kopwa and Mimiano. What's about Wyan? It's why the men devote time. Now we support John Dumelo. No John Uncle Parliament. No get the ministerial appointment. No some of industry now. We collapse.
Okay, so aside helping the industry, we say you have no member of parliament who accept for development for your constituency. You have no input to new money. Just say how kakra what constituency. We know na most of the time in which in a parliament who seeking help for any of them so far Emma Emra Emra bet my favor constituency. It me approved. Parliament house. And if you want to say aside say we be fighting for the access course. With me, I say man so at the constituency.
John Dumelo is a very innovative person that people don't know the other side of him. He's a businessman. He's a farmer. John, I am a brave, but in him because John is a reserved person. But people don't know the other side of John. Some of us, we know. And I know what John can do for the constituency. Even on by year, MP Krano. Check out Zama John in your constituency. Me and John communicate every time. I know what he's doing here. So the last minute, we are making sure that John Dumelo is already in Parliament. Whether the government will give him common fund or not, he will use his credibility, his image, his face to acquire a lot of good things for this community. That's why I choose John Dumelo for Ayawaso.
Finally, though, I can't 2 days now to say about what's your final word to Ghanaians.
My final word to Ghanaians is that ballot paper now. I don't know the bottle say a checker. The Electoral Commission what's it 4 more for Nana? On your 4 more for Nana. Or you see for Nana. No, why should I wire 4 more? Or you see for Nana. A check boxes in a wire wall. I think I already answered this now. Ballot paper, Nana don't know why and big. John Mama and John Dumelo wasn't why and slim. It's actual. Now you're lucky, not wasn't all brought out or very rejected. So that is the strategy they are coming to use to reject most of our votes. So I'm telling the public, if you are voting for John Mama, make sure that you can on your compulsion you can use your single thumb and tap there. Make sure say the boss now why you want because a checker then I don't know why a big boss it's even say use who double thumb car or but John Mama is one uncle. That is the strategy Electoral Commission is coming to use to reject most of the votes. I'm telling Ghanaians to be aware of that evil agenda. That is the peace, no matter what, we will fight. No matter what, because I'm not going to catch them there. Maybe I'm not taking 1 year, Juma, Mentasi. Say, me get a voter's ID card. I am a man, or the mom. Electoral Commission one at the mom. Now, my name is Yima, and one year back. Into no matter what, say, listen to them. Wait till it's buying more than more, wasn't it? Register them. Now, my banana bought to a bar. I won't have the card, man. I sound like I can be him. Can you pay the money? The transport, I'm a transported about. Can you pay me? The man they want to a police station. They ain't about other to Kwanbabano. And you are ready for that.
What do you mean by you are ready for that? You don't be, shouldn't we be pushing for Ghana? Say?
We are pushing for Ghana. Here Ghana can be Ghana. We are pushing for peace. But some mamba, I never got to Mamba. Not missing him. I'm in there. We keep the ID card. Not missing him. Let me get out free. No. There was some who can. You have applied to move for now. That day.
Everything for Mr. Beautiful. And Martin and Car, I was in on so I didn't set him so say. For Ayawaso West we gone there, John Dumelo and I call at the Ama constituency. Never for you better asu. My brother, good afternoon.
Fine afternoon, my madam.
Okay, we have only 2 days to elections, and how do you see the atmosphere?
The atmosphere is very great, and you can see Mahama is going on. There's nobody apart from Mahama.
So you are going to vote for
Mahama number 2. Apart from Mahama, I will not vote for anybody. I will never vote for anybody.
Okay, what about for the parliamentary?
It's John and John. John and John. J and J. That is the 2. Sector. number 2.
Okay.
Mahama, number 2. Seto, 2-2.
Okay, so why do you want to vote for them?
I wanted to vote for them because I've seen a lot of things Mahama has done in the past. You want me to mention some of the things? Yeah, see the Dubai. Since in life, I've been seeing those things in film. That the reality, I saw it here in Ghana. That is Dubai. Circle Dubai. Talking about the hospitals. Talking about the hospitals. I cannot mention. It's a lot of things the man has done. So we need to glorify this man. But the 2 days has left.
Okay. What about the member of parliament who is standing for the NDC, John Dumelo? What do you think he can do? Why are you voting?
John Dumelo, I may say, is a new, but it's not a new person. Okay. Do you understand it?
So unless you explain further.
How to explain to you further?
Yeah.
Do you understand it? He's a youth. So when he comes, he's coming to give a job to the youth, create a lot of opportunity to the youth. So when you vote for John, you are not losing for anything because he will give you opportunity to move forward. Do you understand it? That is it. So you need to vote for John and John.
So what are your final words to Ghanaians as we are getting to the polls?
As a Ghanaian, when you go there, there's nothing called like fight. When you vote with peace and stand. They'll count for your vote and you see the winner. That is all. Don't fight anybody. We love peace. One love.
That's very good. For here to assume. Mr. John Dumelo. If you have a call. I 1 day, spend some few hours to the general poll. I also we're going now for member of parliament. What's the atmosphere and the people? What do you think it's going to happen?
Well, I think so far so good. We are Dadin and maybe one price on the 7th of December and Medin Kunin.
Many of them are member of Aqua Bashon. I tell you, one day and some few hours. Now, 7th December, Jabo, Ghana decides. Now, we share. Yeah, we want to do more. To me, they make them John Mahama. And I know the reasons. And only the woman values the reasons. Yeah, Mamma, 8 years. It's a more Yadu. So, Bana, I need the right fair 4 years now. I'll say, your mouth got to send a bear with trouble who mistakes are. Why, the date is not so mamma, so Mutima. It is a same the old back. Now, dear, of course, over and 1 year, 4 years for Tenassi. Lady Abaya or Tuesday and down, then Tina 1 year, and I said, Dino Kaya 1 year, and I'm from Uber to Etienne. Yeah, Mamma made it to Etienne. Obai, old president was started with the free. Our uncle Obai, who to us now lives here. Send a bear man pressure in the baby, the back of Oba, no one the jar to go. Now, so I fight for free. Oh, yeah. They say, also, yeah, baby, in a free. Your papa was also 1 year, also say, better in a front to say, being the right person. Oba, obey a dear, back on all you now, won't me. Okay. Now, Metuasia, the with the performance and the to a floating voter. Yes. Okay. Anyway, with the atmosphere, the CRD, I work Ghana has if to the my airport to the polls. Obian paid money on that particular party. We are Juma. Over Coswa actually, the man applied for 1 million a month. Oba, your Beba, Oba, or Casanet to Asuma, no offer. It is a political party generally with the people. Okay, Nintinamit was here as in the assembly not too much. Okay, you shall never for it was. Mammy came out aqua ever to my GH. Mammy, about to a baby. Yeah, I got a back and then break up here. So I'll be glad to say, yeah, to Yabanisi, pushing one wiper and a Now I didn't. Yes, I went to my NDC. Some shake, for member, what I was supposed to say? Okay, now, who's your member of parliament? Why not the one? Okay. It's not so. Mint, my bamba. It's not said, Dumelo, you. I don't know lady abaye onye shi ma youth se na mo opese on trashwa na ko ye bi ma youth na one thing ya nye me youth ni tradition na se mi ba o ye youth have it ya baby it won't say John Dumelo get me aye John because so ya fancy o wa mo ni na be ma should be o di no ye youth ka o ti ye na Okay, now my pay and we are going to say, yeah, now say, if you are about to have to come, if you go another matter of area, I will share. And yes, and then for fear, I said, no one. That's what we should be come now. Self for people who are. Yeah, one Ghana and it was here for yet to everyone or else. I many of them are member of our passion for man. Hey, I can't remember one day and some few hours. Now, sending the same by the now, so next year for Ghana decides. Now, we share. Yeah, we walk about the more. To me, they make them John Muhammad. Then I'm not the reason. And original woman, I didn't reason. The Momuko 8 years. In Jama, or maybe Yadu. So, by now I need the right here. Fair 4 years. I'll say the Mao Cotton. Send a bear with each other who mistakes are quiet. The date is not so mamma, so we do my higher. It is a same with your back. Now be our class over 1 year, 4 years, for us. Maybe a buyer or two and down, then 1 year, and I said, you know, 1 year, and I'm so over 2 years. Yeah, Mamma may be Tiziana, buy old dressing, I started with it. How was young, buy to us now. Send a bear one pressure, a baby, the back of the car. I don't want the day to go. I was about 5 How? Oh, yeah. You say, who's yeah, you're baby in free. Your baby was one year, also sorry, but say you from to say being at the right person or bar, obey a dear, but more you know, won't you? Yes, okay, now, it was here, the Sian good performance and a twelve to we a floating boat. Yes, okay. Anyway, well, with the atmosphere, the Saturday, I walked behind the house. It's today that was my airport to the coast. And we'll be a bed, my young we do not. We were close to our we do not apply for 1 million or bar, your baby. Or Casanet was no it is a political advantage now. Okay, in Kinam it was here as in Biafra going to okay, you're sure. Never for it was okay, no, Papa should go ever to my kids. Now, many of them are not a baby, one day, and some few hours not here to a family. I was going to one thing on one. So, by the media, me share the program here. You know, you might not be in front of me. Let me say, that of companies not here. Some companies in everywhere. Some companies in the mall. Actually, we are going to never been to the thing now. Factories be maybe I say
aside for power the game. Now we train who's out of the boy like a bar, the boy, and I don't know how to do it. So people are coming to my own and other money. They get MVP and now, my kind of football space. It's going to be saying, I'm going to just away. I'm not going to get and I get to the lot of I'm just going to go to the moon discover. I'm not talking like some people say, I don't know why you answer. I thought it's coming. Watching I don't talk about this kind of thing. I'm going to do votes. I'm going to react. So, yeah, why? 5 minutes people will come for that one. It's a question of talking. I'm not talking. I'm going to the mama. From group to my mama. And then they say, how did you say that? Okay, I did now. That's a problem. Yeah, that's a problem. I tried to try to talk about one of my parents or twice. So I'm going to change the I'm going to play I'm going to get a money. Well, and it is in your community. The proper bank is not about you. I'm not about the free basis as I have it. Mama, yeah, mama,
yo na ebuza you have been to action that day. Na so na be kono F𝒊ght and Magana for your couples no then I will catch you no. Oh, ya me catch that for na say. Abaso ko to yan to pa. Se wa dwe ye koye. Ni pe na ko to aba no yo nnemba. Ye to ko te na ko ni kana ha say. Ana wo obi e chan ko. E bla. Se wo ye koye. Se to ko se ni be ya ko. The master can avoid us. We are going to put out of the fee. Nam Susan, who can have a shadow of a shadow of body. Why you have to patch in the airport or not of an airport? They want to have. Okay, then I think I'm going to show. That was a 4 years to us.